Let's create a new comp. We'll use full HD resolution with 25 FPS and let's keep the duration at 20 seconds. And we'll rename this comp to switch images. Let's import all the images that I'll be using for this project. Let's drag and drop all the 6 images into our composition. Let's rescale all these images based on the resolution of the comp. I want to switch between these images every half a second. Let's select the first layer, hit T on the keyboard for the opacity value. Hold Alt and click on the stopwatch icon. I have shared the expression in the description below. You can copy and paste it over here. Here you can see that the timeStep value is 0.5, which means the images will switch every half a second. And over here you can see the value for total layers as 6 because we have 6 different images within this comp. And if you want to learn more about this expression, I will leave the explanation of each expression in the comment below. And now let's copy this expression and paste it on all the opacity values of the other layers as well. And now when we buffer through this timeline, you can see that the images switch every half a second. Because we have a loop property within our expression, after the 6th image, it automatically comes back to the first one and forms a loop. Just to make it easier, let's add 2 different sliders to control the timeStep and total layers. So it becomes easier for you to add more number of layers or change the timeStep based on your preference. Let's select the first layer and go to Effects and Presets tab and search for slider control. Let's add one slider control and rename this to timeStep. And we'll add one more slider and rename this to total layers. And now let's give the same value that we have given in the expression for timeStep and the total number of layers. So the timeStep would be 0.5 and total number of layers is 6. And now what we have to do is we need to connect these sliders to the value within the expression. So in order to link the sliders, we need to replace the first 2 lines in the expression. I have shared this expression as well in the description below. And now over here you can see your layer name. So over here you need to type the name of the layer to which we have added the sliders. So in this case, our image layer name is image01.jpg. So we will just type the layer name over here. Just copy paste the same layer name in the second step of the expression as well. And now we'll copy this expression and paste it for all the other layers as well. And now you can easily select the timeStep and total number of layers. So we can change the timeStep to 1 second if you want the images to be switched every 1 second. And you can also add more layers into this and copy paste the expression and change the total number of layers as well. And if you want to switch the images faster, we can even go for a very low value, maybe a value of 0.1, and you can see the images keep switching very fast. And that's how you can switch between different layers using a simple expression. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.